Tell me, do you
Subscribe to the channel.
Before you answer, just know that I don't give a fuck. JK, I give so many fucks. Inside that bag are all the fucks I give.
It's empty.
Darn it, huh?
Welcome back, my bots.
Ever consider becoming a hacker? For good? The OSCP certification might be your key. This coveted credential turns you into an ethical hacker, a cybersecurity pro who uses their hacking skills to identify and fix vulnerabilities before malicious actors exploit them. Not only is it a thrilling adventure into the world of penetration testing, but it's also a surefire way to boost your cybersecurity cred. So, are you ready to crack the code and become an OSCP? So let's move to the back computer and let's see what is this certification.
All right, folks, gather round. We're about to embark on an exciting journey. Tonight, we're diving into the thrilling world of cybersecurity, specifically something called the OSCP. It's a realm where digital warriors are forged. That's the Offensive Security Certified Professional for those who enjoy long acronyms as much as the government does. It's a title that carries weight in the cybersecurity community. Think of the OSCP like earning a black belt in ethical hacking. Just as a black belt signifies mastery in martial arts, the OSCP signifies expertise in cybersecurity. It's a certification that tells the world, hey, I can break into stuff legally. It's a badge of honor for those who protect our digital frontiers. Now, before you start practicing your best hacker voice and rating your kids' Halloween candy for hacking fuel, let's break down exactly what this OSCP thing is all about. It's more than just a title. It's a testament to your skills. In a nutshell, OSCP is a hands-on certification. It's designed to test your practical skills in real-world scenarios. It's not about multiple-choice questions. It's about getting your hands dirty. Metaphorically, of course, we're not digging through actual dirt here. You'll be solving complex problems and thinking on your feet. You'll be thrown into a simulated network and asked to, well, break into things. It's a test of your ingenuity and persistence, but here's the kicker. OSCP is tough, like really tough. It's designed to push you to your limits and beyond. It's not for the faint of heart or for those who prefer their learning passive and pre-digested. It's for those who thrive on challenges and love to solve puzzles. This is the kind of certification that separates the script kiddies from the real deal. It's a proving ground for the best and the brightest. So if you're up for a challenge and you dream of a career where pen testing isn't something you do to relieve boredom on a Tuesday afternoon, then buckle up. This is your chance to shine. Let's talk about how to apply for this bad boy. The journey to becoming an OSCP starts with a single step, and that step is your application.
Sorry for breaking the fourth wall. I am kinda Deadpool myself. Anyway, you can find the link of the OSCP certification website in the description or in the comment box, and if you're still sticking together, feel free to share your OSCP journey in comments. It's always open for you guys. Now let's go back to the bat screen.
So, you think you have what it takes to be an OSCP? Well, hold your horses, cowboy or cowgirl. We don't discriminate in the world of cybersecurity. Applying for the OSCP isn't as simple as filling out a form and hoping for the best. There are hoops to jump through, my friend, and some of them are on fire. Literal and metaphorical hoops that will test your mettle. First things first, you need to head over to the Offensive Security website. That's the organization that runs this whole OSCP rodeo. They are the gatekeepers of this prestigious certification. Now, don't let the sleek website fool you. This is a no-nonsense organization. They mean business. They're not here to hold your hand and sing you lullabies about cybersecurity. No bedtime stories here. They're here to train warriors. Digital warriors who can defend against the toughest cyber threats. Digital warriors, but warriors nonetheless. Ready to take on the digital battlefield. Once you're on the website, navigate to the OSCP page. It's your starting point. You'll find all the information you need there, including how to apply. Read it carefully. And be warned, they don't sugarcoat things. The truth can be harsh, but it's necessary. They'll tell you straight up if they think you're not ready. Brutal honesty is part of the process. Now let's talk about the nitty-gritty, the moolah, the dough, the cold hard cash. Yes, my friends, becoming an OSCP isn't free. Cybersecurity education is valuable, and offensive security knows it. You'll find the fee structure on the OSCP page. It's pretty straightforward, no hidden fees or surprise charges. But here's the thing, the real cost of the OSCP isn't just the course fee. Oh no, my friend, there's more to it than that. You see, the OSCP is a time commitment, a serious time commitment. We're talking potentially months of studying, practicing, and generally having your life consumed by ones and zeros. So factor in the cost of lost sleep, potential therapy sessions. Trust me, those buffer overflows can do a number on your sanity, and the sheer amount of coffee you'll be consuming to keep yourself going. Okay, so you know how to apply, and you're mentally prepared for the financial and emotional toll this certification might take. But do you actually have what it takes to succeed? Let's talk about the requirements. First and foremost, you need a good understanding of networking. And I'm not talking about just being able to set up your Wi-Fi router. We're talking about understanding how networks work on a deeper level. This means knowing the ins and outs of network infrastructure, TCP/IP subnetting, routing protocols. You should be comfortable with these terms. They should be second nature to you. You'll also need to be comfortable with Linux, like really comfortable. This isn't just about knowing a few commands. Think of Linux as your trusty sidekick on this OSCP journey. It's your go-to tool. You'll be spending a lot of time together, so you better get acquainted. Mastering Linux will make your life a lot easier. And finally, you need the right mindset. This is crucial. The OSCP is challenging. There's no way around it. It's designed to push you to your limits. You'll encounter roadblocks, you'll get frustrated, you'll want to throw your computer out the window. Don't actually do that. They're expensive. But remember, every challenge is a learning opportunity. But you need to be persistent, keep pushing forward, and don't give up. Your determination will be your greatest asset.
All right, everyone. That's the Bat Computer taught us today about OSCP. Remember, this certification makes you a hero of the IT world, not a vigilante in tights. Getting OSCP certified takes work, but hey, if Batman can figure out a grappling hook with a batarang.
Wait, what did you just said? Anyway, let's get serious.
You can master penetration testing tools, suit up, study hard, and fight the good cyber fight. Just, minus the Batmobile. Thanks for watching, and remember, with great cyber power comes great responsibility. To stop the bad guys.
I'll just run over to the Fox store. It's open till 9. Oh no, it's 9:02.
Enough with this silliness. Your fight is not with me. There is a greater threat.
Oh look, a vending machine. And there's one fuck left.
All right, you're gonna check your pockets and say something like,
Oh man, I don't have $1. Looks like I can't give a fuck.
so don't waste your time.
But I have $1. Oh no! The fuck got stuck.
I cannot believe you went to all that effort just for this bit. I'm out of here.
Gotcha, Foxhead! Fresh hot Fox 2 for $1.
No, he left, bro. He's already gone.